Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm doing a camera test with the Oppo Find N. Y'all let me know how it sounds, how does everything look. This is in 4K at 60. I'm gonna do 4K at 30 and then 1080p at 60 and 30. But y'all let me know, how does everything look? How does that sound? Look, San Antonio. Yes, that is the Alamo Dome. Because yeah, I'm out at the River Center. How's stabilization and how does everything look? I think actually everything looks pretty good by what I'm seeing. Look at the waterfall. I'm gonna come back with 4K at 30, and then like I said, 1080p at 60 and 30. To them, peace. Okay everyone, so this is 1080p at 60 frames per second. Again, I'm out in San Antonio. Look, 2x zoom. I can go 10 times zoom. I don't know what y'all think. Not too bad. Let me go all the way. I think I have access to the wide angle lens. Actually I don't. Not at 1080p at 60. But let's see how the stabilization is. Again, how do I sound? How does everything look? I'm gonna come back with 1080p at 30. But until then, peace, I'm out. Okay everyone, so this is the front facing camera. This is the main display camera at 1080p at 30. That's the only thing that I see that's wrong with this phone so far, is you can only do 1080p at 30 on the front facing cameras. But this is the one in the main display. I don't know, what y'all think? How does that look? How does that sound? How does that background look? It is bright in Texas today, so y'all let me know how does this look. I'm gonna wrap the video up with some photos, and then also I'm gonna test out the outer display camera to see if it's any different. So stay tuned to that video. Until then, peace. y'all. So this is the front facing camera. This is actually on the outer display. Again, I can only shoot in 1080p at 30 frames per second. So yeah, no 4K, no 1080p at 60, just 10K at 30. That is a kind of a bummer, especially if you want to vlog, I guess. Man, I need some Botox. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it, what y'all thought about this whole video. I'm not going to try to make this front-facing video too much longer because, you know, the camera's okay. By what I see, yeah, the cameras did a really good job. What y'all thought about the photos? What y'all thought about this whole video? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Oppo Find N. I almost forgot what phone I'm reviewing. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out. Check out San Antonio.